To successfully DoorDash at night, start by preparing yourself and your vehicle for the task. Ensure your car is in good condition, with a full tank of gas, proper lighting, and necessary safety features. Download the DoorDash app and create an account if you have not already done so. Next, choose the hours you want to dash and select the areas you are willing to work in. Consider areas with high demand and limited dashers to increase your earning potential. Log into the app and wait for requests to start rolling in. When a request is received, carefully review the order details, including the pickup location, drop-off location, and any special instructions. Accept the request and navigate to the pickup location using the app's built-in GPS. Upon arrival, confirm the order with the restaurant staff and ensure all items are included. Take a photo of the order in the app to verify pickup. Then, navigate to the drop-off location and hand the order over to the customer, ensuring all items are accounted for. Throughout the process, maintain consistent communication with the customer in the app, keeping them updated on the status of the order. Be mindful of your surroundings and drive safely, following all traffic laws and regulations. To maximize earnings, consider dashing during peak hours, typically between 5 p.m. and 9 p.m., and in areas with high demand. Keep your phone charged and have a car charger on hand to ensure uninterrupted service. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully DoorDash at night, providing excellent customer service while earning a decent income. Remember to stay safe, be efficient, and provide quality service to each customer.